Navisa Tower, Air Force 1678 Heavy, ready for IFR departure, runway 34 left. Air Force 1678 Heavy, clear for takeoff, runway 34 left. Clear for takeoff, runway 34 left. Air Force 1678 Heavy. Air Force 1678 Heavy. Contact Navita departure on 124.4. Going to 124.4. Air Force 1678 Heavy. Tokyo Center, Air Force 1678 Heavy is at 3,000, climbing 4,000. Air Force 1678 Heavy, Tokyo Center, roger, current altimeter 2, 992. Air Force 1678 Heavy, turn left heading 255, proceed on course, descend and maintain 4,000. Air Force 1678 Heavy, you are 32 miles northeast, turn left heading 160, descend and maintain 4,000. Expect vectors ILS, runway 34, right approach, all Nippon 921 Heavy, contact Tokyo Center on 134.15. Turn left heading 160, descend and maintain 4,000. Expect vectors ILS, runway 34, right approach. Air Force 1678 Heavy. Air Force 1678 Heavy, contact Navita departure on 124.4. Going to 134.15, all Nippon 921.